Every cetacean, every dolphin, every porpoise, every whale alive or extinct fits somewhere on this scale. We are going to look at all of them, not all at once. The lineage is too big for that. So we will do it in 3 parts. This is our Pakicetus, the earliest known ancestor of every whale on Earth, alive about 50 million years ago in the rivers of what is now Pakistan. Wolf-sized, 4-legged, a predator that ambushed fish from the riverbanks. If you saw it from a distance, you would not call it a whale. But the bones inside its ear are already Cetacean. Remingtonocetus, a close cousin of a Pakicetus living a few million years later. The snout is longer, the legs are shorter. It hunted fish in tidal estuaries, already spending more time underwater than out of it. Ambulocetus, the walking whale, 3 meters long, built like a crocodile, squat, low-slung with a long, heavy tail. By this point, the lineage spent most of its life submerged. Ambulocetus ambushed prey from below the waterline, the way a saltwater croc ambushes prey today. Rodhocetus, the first cetacean to swim with its spine instead of its legs, webbed feet, a long, muscular, undulating tail, hip bones beginning to detach from the spine. This is the moment whales become whales. From here, the back muscles drive the body, the legs are along for the ride. A Protocetus, 3.5 meters, a faster, leaner swimmer. The hind legs are still present, but they are useless for swimming, kept only for mating on the shore. A Maiacetus, the most remarkable fossil in the lineage. We know this one was making the transition because we found a fossil mother, and inside her, a fetus. The fetus was positioned head down. Land mammals are born head first, modern whales are born tail first. A Maiacetus was somewhere in between. A Dorudon, 5 meters long, fully aquatic, completely committed to the water. The hind legs are now gone, except for tiny vestigial bones inside the body that no longer touch the spine. Bones that, in modern whales, would shrink further, but never quite disappear. And finally, Basilosaurus, 18 meters of muscle and fang, the apex predator of the late Eocene oceans. Already as long as a school bus, before most modern whales had even appeared in the fossil record. A reminder that whales reached enormous sizes very early in their evolution. A Squalodon, 3 meters of jagged teeth. The toothed whales, the lineage that kept its teeth and learned to see with sound, passed through animals like this on their way to today. The bottlenose dolphin, 3 meters. A curious, problem-solving, tool-using predator, the dolphin pop culture means whenever it says the word dolphin. The diver is now noticeably shorter than what is swimming beside him. The beluga, 5 meters, the color of bone. The only cetacean that can turn its head from side to side. It uses an organ on its forehead, the melon, to focus echolocating clicks into a beam. The narwhal, the same length as the beluga, but with a 3-meter spiraled tooth growing forward through its upper lip. It is a tooth, not a horn, and we still do not know what it is for. The orca, 8 meters, the largest member of the dolphin family. Yes, the dolphin family. The orca is more closely related to the bottlenose you saw a minute ago than the bottlenose is to a porpoise. Apex predator of every ocean on Earth. Hunts sharks, seals, fish, other whales. The sperm whale, 16 meters, the largest predator that has ever lived on this planet. Its head holds a 100-kilogram organ of pure liquid wax that we still do not fully understand. Used for buoyancy, for echolocation, possibly for sonar stunning prey from a kilometer away. Aetiocetus, 7 meters, the animal that bridges the toothed whales and the filter-feeding giants. Aetiocetus had teeth, but also the beginnings of baleen plates growing alongside them. A creature caught mid-transition between two entirely different ways of eating. The right whale, 16 meters, slow, fat, and easy to approach. So easy to hunt that whalers called it the right whale to chase. So successful at hunting that almost none survive in the North Atlantic today. The humpback, 14 meters, the singer. Humpbacks compose songs that travel across entire ocean basins. The same melody can spread between populations like a hit song spreads between countries, every male in the new population picking it up within a single season. And finally, the blue whale. 30 meters, 200 metric tons. The largest animal that has ever existed, anywhere, in the entire history of life on Earth. Its heart is the size of a small car. Its tongue weighs as much as an elephant. A human child could swim through its largest artery. Look at the diver standing next to it. We share an ocean with this.